Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 5, File Concept. So the question is, given the following sequence 95, 180, 34, 119, 11, 123, 62 and 64 with the track 50 and ending track 199. What is the total disk traveled by the disk arm using first come first serve, using FCFS, SSTF, lock and CLOC algorithm? So first we write what is given in this question. Solution, this is given. Request queue. Request queue is nothing but what is the data which is given here. It means 95, 180, 34, 119, 11, 123, 62 and 64. Now what is our initial head position, which is 50. So initial head position, which is equals to 50. What is our ending track, which is 199. Use only for direction info, not always the movement. So our ending track which is equals to 199. So we have to calculate the total head movement, which is equals to sum of absolute difference. So we have to calculate total head movement, which is equals to sum of absolute difference. So now let's calculate one by one. First we can calculate FCFS, means first come first serve. So FCFS, it means first come first serve. In this case, head move in the given order only. What is the order which is given here? It means 95, 180, 34, 119, 11, 123, 64 and 62 and 64, like that. So what is the order of movement? Order of movement, which is 50, this is our initial, to 95, 95 to 180, 180 to 34, 34 to 119, 119 to 11, 11 to 123, 123 to 62, 62 to 64. Now we have to calculate the head movement. Head movement. How can we calculate it? We can calculate it by, this is move here and this is the distance. So first move is 50 to 95. 50 to 95. So what is the difference? 95 minus 50, which is equals to, or we can say that this is 50 minus 95 more, which is equals to 45. Like that, from 95 to 180, 95 to 180, which means 180 minus 95, which is equals to 85. Like that, 180 to 34, 180 to 34, which is 146, and 34 to 119, 34 to 119, when you subtract it, it become 85, and 119 to 11, 119 to 11, it become 108, and 11 to 123, 11 to 123, it become 112, 123 to 62, 123 to 62, it become 61, and 62 to 64, 62 to 64, it become 2. Now what is our total first come first serve movement, FCFS? So 85 plus 146 plus 85 plus 108 plus 11, 112 plus 61 plus 2. So we can write it here, total FCFS movement, which is equals to 85 plus 146 plus 85 plus 108 plus 112 plus 61 plus 2. So when you add it, it become 644. This is our total first come first serve movement. Now we are looking for SSTF. So now our second one is SSTF. What it means? Shortest seek time first. Shortest seek time first. So what is understand by this? Always go to the nearest track from the current head. It means always go to nearest track from the current head. So what is the current head, which is 50? So in this STFS we are looking for the nearest track. So for 50 the nearest track which is 62, and for 62 the nearest track is 64, and for 64 the nearest track is 95, like that up to go up to the last queue. So like that. So this is our current, this is our nearest, and this is our movement. So our current is initial is 50, and what is the nearest to the 50, which is 62, and what is the difference between this? It is 12. Like that. For 62 the nearest is 64 and the movement is 2, and for 64 the nearest is 95 and the difference is 31. This means 95 minus 64, which is equals to 31. Movement is nothing but the difference between the current and the nearest. And for 95 the nearest is 119, the difference is 24, and for 119 the nearest is 123 and the difference is 4, and for 123 the nearest is 180, then the difference is 57, and for 180 the nearest is 34 and the distance is 146. Like that. For 34 the nearest is 11 and the difference is 23. Now we have to calculate the total shortest seek time first. So total SSTF movement which is equals to 12 plus 2 plus 31 plus 24 plus 4 plus 57 plus 146 plus 123. So when you add it, it becomes 299. This is our SSTF. Now we have to move the look algorithm. So our third part is look algorithm. So what happens in look algorithm? It means move in one direction. First assume towards high track. Go only till the last request, then reverse. So what happens in look algorithm? It means move in one direction first. Assume towards higher track. Go only till last, hence then reserve. It means split our request within two forms. So we have to split the request is. So this is our left off and this is our right off. So what request comes in left off, which is this is left off, this is our initial at 50 and for 50. So left off 50, it means what are the request comes in, which is 34 and 11, and right off comes in 62, 64, 95, 119, 123 and 180. This is the less than 50, that's why this comes in left side, and this is the greater than 50, that's why this comes in the right side. Now we have to calculate the movement and the distance between these two requests. So now we have to calculate the movements for look algorithm. Movements. This is our move and this is our distance. So we are looking for the first right of 50. So 50 to 62, 62 to 64, 64 to 95, 95 to 119, 190 to 123, and 122 to 123 to 180, and 180 to 34, and 34 to 11. So 50 to 62, 50 to 62 distance is 12, and 62 to 64 distance is 2, and 64 to 95 distance is 31, and 95 to 119 distance is 24, and 119 to 123 distance is 4, and 123 to 180 distance is 57, and 180 to 34 distance is 146, and 34 to 11 distance is 23. Now we have to calculate the total look movement. So total look movement, which is equals to 12 plus 2 plus 31 plus 24 plus 4 plus 57 plus 146 plus 23, which is equals to 299. Now we have to calculate the clock, means circular look. So our fourth one is C log. It means circular look. It means 50 to 62, 62 to 64, 64 to 95, 95 to 119, 190 to 123, 123 to 180, and 180 to 11, and 11 to the, and 11 to 34, like that. So first is move in one direction only. It means what is the order? Order which is equals to 50 to 62, 62 to 64, 64 to 95, 95 to 119, 119 to 123, 123 to 180, 180 to 11, and 11 to 34. Now we have to calculate the distance of movements. So this is move, this is distance. So 50 to 62, what is the distance, which is 12. 62 to 64, what the difference is 2, and 64 to 95 distance is 31, 95 to 119 distance is 24, 119 to 123 distance is 4, 123 to 180 distance is 57, and 180 to 11 distance is 169, and 11 to 34 distance is 23. Now we have to calculate the total look movement. So total look movement, which is equals to 12 plus 2 plus 31 plus 24 plus 4 plus 57 plus 169 plus 123. Sorry, this is 23 only. So when you add it, it becomes 322. So this is our total look movements. So like that you have to solve step by step in the examination. If you want note, I already upload in my Telegram channel. Link is given in the description box. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express Video for all.